So good morning. The pool opens up at 6 a.m. stays open till 10 p.m.
You can see that.
If you can see that. So I'm assuming we're gonna be a little busy again today. Oh no, it's nice. Oh my gosh. This is what you see
What?
off the rooftop. Look at this. Oh yeah, there's the the Tower of Americas. That's what we did yesterday. I'll link the prices and site and all that down in the description below. Beautiful morning. We got this cute little eggshell for us to hang out in with a table. Because you know Daddy, he don't like the sun. Okay, so we're gonna chill out here at the pool for a little bit. I wanted to show you one last look at the eggshell we got over there. They have loungers, towels. They're just missing some music.
I think they're more like acorns, right? They look more like acorns. Upside down acorns.
Yeah, acorns. Okay, bye. Alright guys, good morning. Again, we're now done with the pool. So, we decided this is our first meal of the day. Can you believe it? It's almost noon. But we have decided to stop at this cute little place on the Riverwalk. It's called Casa Rio.
Casa Rio.
That looks better. And we got this cool menu, but see, of course, of the light. So I'll show you a little bit of the menu. Of course, they said it's 5 o'clock somewhere. So, you know, we did order a drink. We've decided, let's see if I can show you, on this combination plate. So we'll let you know. Oh, thank you. So as I was saying, we got drinks. That is a margarita made with 1800.
And that is not.
And that is not. But it's a hurricane, so we'll see what happens. And we got some yummy chips and salsa. So, I'll let you know how it goes, guys. Stick around.
Yum yum.
Alright, so now we're on Alamo Street. And there's the Alamo. If you follow the signs, it'll tell you where to go for the Riverwalk. And they also have like an information center that you can go to. And they have like all kinds of guided tours, all kinds of things like that. That's how we ended up on our tour last night. From my husband doing some research. But if you guys remember that yesterday we were over in this area, if you can see the flag up there, we were over in this area watching that show on the walls. And see, we're not too far from the Tower of Americas, which is right over there that we saw yesterday. They have all kinds of fun stuff. You can go shopping, the Guinness World Records Museum. And that guy is super tall. He was 8'11". Whew.
Yeah, that's almost 9 foot.
So they have bus tours, like hop on, hop off kind of things. They have haunted tours. They have all kinds of fun stuff you can do. So, anywho, we find some more trouble, we will get with you again. But they just started this. The last time we were here, they didn't do this. They've blocked off the street on this end and on that end so that people are safe. So, anyway, all right, we'll get back with you. So just to give you an idea, there's plenty to do here. The Alamo is free to go through. It is timed, at like a timed entry. Right now, you have to do a reservation. But if you want an audio tour, it's $9, and then if you want, you know, like a special private tour, it would be $30 per person. We heard that they have implemented about $30 million to go towards putting new art all around the Riverwalk and the surrounding areas. So that's kind of cool. So there's like there's lots of new artwork that we have already spotted, along with last night about the lady that was made out of volcano and then had the star carefully put into it. This is the Waxworks. We've done this one before. It's pretty neat if you've never seen it.
Over 250 wax figures.
If you heard Daniel.
Including Trump and Biden over there.
Oh, okay. Pretty wild. Big heads. The Mirror Maze, we've done that as well. It is kind of touristy, guys, but you know, sometimes you just have to do it. Oh, and James Bond. So Daniel has told me what we're doing today, and we're actually going to be doing this. Don't know if you guys can see it right now, but it's a magic show. I don't think they're gonna let us record, but we are gonna try and take some pictures. And if you guys follow us on Instagram, Facebook, those kinds of things, if you hit Hoovers on the Move, you'll be able to see some of that. So, I know, I don't know if I'm getting him in there all the way, but I was looking at me. So, they have the IMAX, they have AMC theaters, they have Dave & Buster's around here. There is an aquarium that is absolutely to die for, from what I hear. So, anyway, Haagen-Dazs ice cream. As soon as we see something new, we will get back with you. All right, so we didn't necessarily do an update about our food. It was okay.
Yeah.
We have definitely had better Tex-Mex or better Mexican food. Drinks were good. I liked it.
The drinks were good.
Very much. I would definitely give my drink, it was small, but I would definitely give my drink, probably in quality, precision on it, a good 9. It was strong. It was good.
Well, my Hurricane was not so strong that it threw off the taste of the Hurricane. So it was a really good drink, and of course, you know, Hurricanes are a little taller than the normal mixed drinks. So yes, I was very impressed with the mixed drink. But as far as the food, I just had a couple of tacos, and
they were okay. It's probably about a 7.
The shells were hard. The meat didn't really have a lot of flavor to it. Not even the red sauce. That didn't even have any.
Yeah, it was kind of like pecani sauce.
Yeah, but dead. There was no spice to it at all. It was tomatoey. That was it. So strange coming from a Mexican restaurant, but we'll live.
Yeah, I mean, it fed us. It fed us. We hadn't eaten today, so it was good. You know, it supplied us with what we needed to move on about our day.
Yep.
So, for now, though, we're just gonna cop a squat, enjoy some
chill,
quiet time, chill, and
and enjoy cooling off just a little bit when that breeze comes through, because it is supposed to be over 100 degrees today.
It is supposed to be 106 today, and we're feeling it. It's hot. We have to sit down quite a bit and drink plenty of water.
As long as you can sit down somewhere in the shade with a breeze, then you are doing good.
Yes.
So.
I don't know how much touristy stuff we're gonna do, but you know, we always get into trouble, so we'll see.
Yeah, we always got the camera with us, so if we happen to see something that may interest somebody else, then we'll go ahead and cut it on and
hey,
bring it to you.
Guess what? Remember I was telling you guys the hop on, hop off? There's the hop on, hop off bus.
Upstairs, downstairs?
Yeah. You pay a flat fee, they'll give you a wristband or whatever, and then you can just city sightsee all day long.
Pay for the AC or pay to burn.
Yeah. And trust me, guys, in Texas you will burn. If you're not careful.
God bless Texas.
So, anyway, alrighty. We'll see what other trouble we can get into.